Hi, welcome to the new video of the Bio6 Production channel. I'm Willem. In today's video, we're working again on the Peugeot 205 Rallye. I'm gonna do some engine maintenance. I got some stuff in the mail, actually a couple of weeks ago already, but now it's finally time to put those stuff in. And yeah, let's go show you what all that stuff is. So, what we have here is this. It's new oil pump, OEM, with oil pan gasket and BM the fast road engine mounts. These things are not going on this video, but I have these in for a while. Remember when I changed the starter motor? It was one motor with all of this stuff. But I didn't want to do this in winter, it was cold, and I didn't really thought it was that necessary. And I also have oil wherever I put that stuff. Here. Some Valvoline 15W40. So actually this is all it. After this only the spark plugs need to be done, but I did order these next week or something. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, and I have an oil filter, of course. Boss. Oh, okay, after cleaning up the oil the oil pan and spending way too long to scrape off that oil gasket, it's good. Not perfect, but good enough. Now I'm going to replace the oil pump. Finally. So with the oil pad back on, time to put the new oil filter on, and yeah, that's basically it. And of course put the oil in. So with all that done, new oil pump, oil filter, new oil, it's all finished. So it's going to be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, want to see more, and hope to see you in the next one. Later on.
So thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these two videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Later.